Hey, it's Beatles J, and I hope you're having a Beatle day. And here's my vintage copy of Revolver from 1966, and one of my favorite Beatle albums. I was 6 years old when it came out, and I was blown away by the track Tomorrow Never Knows. And it was, in Canada, it was released on Capitol's Black Rainbow record. Released August 5th, 1966, Revolver is the seventh studio album by the Beatles and was the group's most overt use of a studio technology up to that date. The record included the use of backward recordings and tape loops on the psychedelic Tomorrow Never Knows, classical strings on Eleanor Rigby, traditional Indian music on Love You Too. The songs on the record were certainly influenced by the band's use of LSD. Lyrics address death and transcendence from material concerns. The complexity of the record would make reproducing their new material in concert impossible. The band made use of studio techniques such as varuspeeding, automatic double tracking, and closed miking. The sessions produced a single, Paperback Writer in Rain, for which the Beatles filmed their first promo films.